Welcome. I don't know how to do an intro, so we're just gonna do this.
What's up?
We are building a computer today. So as you can see behind us, we have Case and Yeet. We have a sticker, obviously, best part of the entire computer. Okay.
This is why I paid $500 for the sticker.
You're learning fast. Now we are going to be taking the CPU very carefully. So don't sneeze on it, don't do anything like that, and we're gonna just carefully. Alright, the CPU is in, and I will show you guys this here. So once the CPU is in, it snaps in place like so. Like that. Okay. So here's one of the RAM sticks installed, it's this here. And Taft will be inserting the other one in just a moment. Okay, so you're gonna line it up.
Alright, doctor.
Like this. So make sure the holes are lined up and yep.
Alright,
Perfect.
that looks cool.
Alright.
That one is.
And then just there we go. Perfecto.
Did it! Alright, guys!
Let's go. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so both RAM sticks are installed. To be honest, anyone can make a PC, but a good, like really good computer is probably around $10,000. So which is like insane, obviously, but like still.
That's more than I'm worth. You could buy me off the black market for less than that.
Hear that, everyone? You can all go buy I'm just kidding. I know everything. Okay, let's install a motherboard. Where did the other one go?
Let's not bicker and argue about who killed who. Hey, man, we're friends, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, and the case is a Lamley T150 Mini ITX.
It's a computer case.
It's a computer case.
Look, we will determine your fate when the time comes.
Yes.
But we are merciful gods.
Are we though?
I am a merciful god. I'm just gonna plug it into my body. It'll drain off of my natural because the brain produces electricity. I don't know if you knew this. I don't. Alright, what's next, doctor?
We're amputating your leg.
Good, I really didn't like this leg.
Good.
As they like to say in the Red Robin industry.
Red Robin.
Yum. The
Renegade.
Went to school dance and got the DJ to play Pumped Up Kicks.
Nice.
I have to go regain my faith in humanity.
This is what storage is. So this is basically all his storage that he needs. Games, everything in the palm of my hand. What was that?
I almost just died. Oh my gosh. There's a website dedicated to listing how much you can sell your body parts for on the black market.
Don't worry, Mom, we're making good decisions.
Bones and ligaments up to a few $1,000s. Every unbroken human bone for sale on the black market. Ligaments are another item that is in demand. Why is that in demand? A whole corpse goes for about $5,000.
Are you kidding me? Bro, what the heck?
If you drop it, we'll have to sell one of your kneecaps on the black market.
Dang it. How you doing, Pat?
I'm great.
Okay.
Hang on, hold it up.
I see lights!
Hold it up, put it up here.
It starts smoking.
Smoking is bad, kids. Don't do it.
We've
done it!
It works!
Look at that. 2.5 hours.
Yes!
We've done it.
Yes!
So what now?
We did it, guys. Well, thank you all for watching. Okay, well,
Is that...
yeah, I mean, like, we did it.
I'm surprised we didn't have any problems turning it on.
GG, boys. Type in chat. Let's go.